The word Explorer to Haskell means that we're giving the student the opportunity to be free, to better understand who they are, to better understand their relationship to the world.
I love the Think Nook, and especially actually it's really important, one, to just give the students choice. It's kind of the idea that they are able to identify when they need to take a step away and that they're able to. I think just giving them that sense of control already makes them feel more comfortable.
I like the small walls because it does create that private space when you're sitting in it, but also I can see the students when they're sitting. So they might feel like they're in this private space, but I can still see them and monitor them.
Kids need the power. Teachers need power. So the integrated power in the Think Nook serves that purpose. So I can be in there working on my digital device, and if I don't have it charged, I have the ability to power it up.
It can be used in different ways in the classroom. It can be a workspace, it can be a calming space, it can be a collaborative space. There's room for more than one kid.
The other facet of the Think Nook that's particularly special is that it has the ability to be used for ideation on the back. So you can be sitting in a Think Nook and while at the same time be working on ideation on the back.
I really do feel like I'm in the model of what we call 21st century teaching. We have the tools now with this furniture and the classroom setup.
It's a special piece of furniture that will change the lives of our students.